In the green room, shenanigans. You know what I'm saying?
The NuBeing Collective rang in the new year with a high-energy performance in Knoxville, Tennessee, a fitting start to what would become a whirlwind year for the rising hip-hop fusion group. They immediately scheduled rehearsals with rotating musicians to prepare for upcoming shows.
And I happened to see that there was like a residency at the Greensboro Cultural Arts Center, which I thought was so dope because I used to go there as a kid for like lessons. And so then I go and I apply and I get the residency. And the person right before I started my residency was Surreal Sister, Princess, and she's dope. And so I pulled in there one day before my residency was supposed to start and connected with her. She was like transitioning, like cleaning stuff. And so she talked to me a little bit and she had mentioned that her brother was a musician and that it was, high time I come in there. And then I went through my residency and his other sister came in. She was like, no, you need to connect with him. He's looking for another female vocalist, so you should reach out and make it happen. And so I did that.
And the rest is, you know how the saying goes.
I sent the message on your DM just to see if you could come through.
I got the message from your DM. If it's cool with you, I'm about to come through.
They don't know what to expect because, of course, we're a hip-hop band. We're all different characters. They can tell. I think they can feel our energy before the show. We're also very personable people who like to interact with the people that are at the shows or wherever we're at. And I feel like it's like I said, it's always a building and growing process. You're not gonna immediately make fans off real. You gotta build the fans. You gotta build the fan base. You gotta grow the family. So, I think we are. Once the show starts, they have no choice. Especially with my crazy ass.
I think as diverse as your band is and how big your band is, you need that kind of flexibility to be able to move with the creativeness that you're trying to do.
Right.
And more musicians should be more flexible. That to be quite honest.
Yeah.
No offense to anybody out there. You can be as stringent as you want.
It's not just hip hop. There's jazz. There's gospel. There's R&B. There's rock. There, you know what I'm saying? There's so much more to it. I'm just happy that y'all called me to let me sing on the joke. Like, I know I didn't take part in recording it, but my favorite song in the album is, I have to say Best Things.
Because X is fire, and my favorite song, Best Thing. It's like poetry to me. I just get to like vibe with it and like snap and do my little jazzy stuff. So that's like my vibe. So it's a vibe.
Best Things. Because it's like, they say the best things in life are free, but I say freedom would be the best thing. I just need you to believe in me, and maybe we can live out all our dreams. That can represent us as artists, us as a band, us as Black Americans, you as a spouse in your household, you know what I'm saying, you at work. It can represent all of that, and how at the end of the day, we all just really want to live, but we have all of this society pressure, peer pressure, we have to work a job, we have all this time wasted on things that are technically unimportant. Like at the end of the day, we don't need all this shit to live, but we kind of placed it on ourselves, you know what I mean? And so, if we were just able to actually live, you know what I mean, and not worry about dumb shit. At the end of the day, you know what I mean? Like, just fucking live.
Performances, the NuBeing Collective's hard work and talent earned them a spot on local news.
Hey, the next Music for a Sunday Evening in the Park features NuBeing Collective. On August 11th, they will play at Hester Park in Greensboro. Sir Hal Jr. is the band leader. He's also the Phantom. And he joins us along with the rest of the band. Go ahead and introduce them again real quick, because maybe people weren't here.
Introduce you guys again. We got Dr. Feelgood, our bass player, King on drums, Kay Marion, singer, Matt on sax, also a singer, and Kyran Scott, which is our rapper and DJ.
And you're missing a couple.
Missing a couple. That's Jasmine Trinae, which is also a singer, and Kay Dollar, which is our guitar player.
I've been I can make a life for you and me. It seems like all we do is work to survive. But really, I just want to live my life. I think I had enough. I'm about to pack all my stuff. You can call if you want. I'm about to live it up. They say the best things in life are free. But I say freedom would be the best thing. I just need you to believe in me. And maybe we could live out all our dreams. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-da-ba. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-da-ba. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. And do-do-do-do-do-do. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ba-da-da-ba-ba-ba-da-ba. Ba-da. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ba-ba-da-da-ba-ba-ba-da-ba. Ba-da-da-ba-ba. Yeah, yeah.
Go ahead now. Go ahead, boy.
I think I had enough. I'm about to pack all my stuff. You can call if you want. I'm about to live it up. I think I had enough. I'm about to pack all my stuff. You can call if you want. I'm about to live it up. I think I had enough. I'm about to live it up. They say the best things in life are free. But I say freedom would be the best thing. I just need you to believe in me. And maybe we can live out on our dream. A dream.